Okay, guys, a quick formal introduction on my end before we get started. Again, we'll just take up a small introductory session, basically what this course is about and what we'll be learning throughout the course. It's going to be a very short session as well, just to give you a brief overview. But yeah, before that, my name is Mohammed Shoaib. I will be your cybersecurity trainer for this entire duration of the course. I currently work as a senior penetration tester based in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I've been working in this domain for the last 6+ years, and I've been training students for the last 4 or 5 years, I suppose, with DURGASOFT itself and a lot of other institutes. And I train students on certified ethical hacking, web application penetration testing, SOC analysis, etc., etc. These are the various domains I can cover. Now, when you talk about this course, Certified Ethical Hacking version 13, this is from this organization called EC Council, a globally recognized organization for cybersecurity trainings and certifications. So if I just search for EC Council here, this here is the official website, as you can see. And these are all the various courses or certifications offered by EC Council. And the first one you notice here is the CEH, Certified Ethical Hacking. And currently, the version running right now is version 13. Every few years, this version gets updated, and the latest tools, the latest techniques, and the solutions are provided, okay, for defending your organization from the various cyber threats. Okay, so again, the curriculum that we'll be following will be exactly in alignment with the curriculum that is provided by this organization here. And once that is done, you can start applying for all of these different job roles. You can apply as a penetration tester. Oh, sorry. Yeah. As mentioned, IT security administrator, cybersecurity auditor, SIM threat responder, ethical hacker, SOC security analyst, network engineer, security consultant, etc., etc. These are all the various job roles that you can apply for once this course is done. Okay. Now, the main agenda for the course is what we'll be learning is understanding what ethical hacking is. But you might have a question: is ethical hacking and hacking the same thing? It's not, guys. When you talk about hacking, this is an illegal activity. This is a procedure where hackers try to get access to your information systems without your permission or without your knowledge. And once they've gotten access to your devices, they can steal the data, destroy the data, modify the data, sell your data to other people, and all of this is done without your knowledge. Okay, this is for their own benefit. When you talk about ethical hacking, on the other hand, this is a procedure of securing those devices. So we do that by finding something called vulnerabilities, which are loopholes in your system, which allow hackers to get access to your devices. And we try to find these loopholes and remediate them so that we can protect the organization. Okay, so we'll be learning how to perform the same exact attacks as hackers and understanding how these attacks are being made possible, what is causing them, what is the underlying vulnerability, and then we patch it up so that no other hacker can replicate the same thing. Okay. Now, this entire procedure is basically called as cyber kill chain. So when you talk about cyber kill chain, that is a procedure that hackers follow in order to perform a successful cyber attack. And the same knowledge allows cybersecurity professionals or ethical hackers as well to understand how to stop these attacks and detect them at the earliest time possible and protect your organization at every level. Okay. And this is something which was built by the US military actually. It was again incorporated by EC Council and they created a certification course making us understand how we have to defend organizations in real time. Okay. So there's a systematic procedure for the cyber kill chain which involves 5 stages in it. There's something called as information gathering, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and reporting or clearing traces. So when you talk about these 5 stages, this is what we do as penetration testers as well in organizations. No matter what the client is, we perform the same exact procedure to find vulnerabilities and remediate them and protect the organization. Okay. So the entire course curriculum is going to revolve around these 5 stages itself. And for each of these stages, there are different tools that we'll be working on, and I'll be practically showing you how to use those tools and utilize them basically to perform the various operations. Okay. So again, a brief intro on each of these phases now. So I might not be able to explain all of them today, but yeah, I'll just at least give you a brief overview. Okay. And before we dive into this, any questions or doubts up to this point? Hussein, Samir. Hello. Oh, okay. Anyways, moving on. So let's talk about the first phase, which is called information gathering. Now, this is also commonly known as
हेलो
reconnaissance.
हेलो सर, थोड़ा स्लो लेते हैं क्या? थोड़ा बहुत
Oh,
फास्ट हो
oh,
रहा
Hussein. Sure, sure, sure.
है। हाँ, थोड़ा हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन किए तो भी चलेगा थोड़ा बहुत।
अच्छा अच्छा हिंदी में ओके कुछ
हाँ,
भी बोलता हूँ हुसैन क्योंकि आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ द अदर्स आर फ्रॉम द सेम नॉर्थ रीजन और या तेलुगु वाले हैं या
हाँ,
कुछ दूसरे लैंग्वेज है तो
yes,
इसलिए
yes,
यूजुअली
both
कॉमनली इंग्लिश में ही
Samir,
चलेगा
Samir Patel also my friend. That's why both we can understand Hindi. Hmm?
Acha, acha. Okay, guys. Perfect.
हाँ,
So yeah, when
हिंदी
you
में
talk
थोड़ा
about
अच्छा
information
मतलब।
gathering, guys, it's called also commonly known as a reconnaissance. And what we basically do over here in this stage is research about the organization. So अगर आपका एक company है and if you want to attack that company's infrastructure, आप पहले देख रहे हो कि ये organization में क्या क्या devices हैं. Okay, so basically you're trying to figure out the infrastructure of the organization from an external point of view. So on the internet facing side, how many devices are there? What are the pieces of information? Okay. What are the IP addresses for the organization? What is the who's record of the organization? What are the DNS records of the organization? What are domains and subdomains of the organization? What operating system are they using? What are the employee details, contact numbers of the employees, email addresses of the employees, usernames of the employees, passwords of the employees? All of this data is readily available on the internet. Okay. So again, these usernames and passwords are a bit tough to obtain because they are obtained from something called data breaches. Okay, data breaches where the data has already been leaked, but it is available on the internet. Okay, so what we do in information gathering in organizations is try to figure out उस organization का publicly available internet facing side information क्या है. Okay, so on the internet about that organization, what pieces of information are available and how you can collect them. That's what information gathering is. Once you have obtained all of these pieces of data, IP addresses or whatever it is, आप उन devices पे जब attack करना शुरू करोगे. Okay, so you have to get to know what those devices are. So आपको IP address तो मिल गया. अब वो IP address पे क्या device run हो रहा है? What are they using a server for that? Are they using a firewall for it? Are they using a DNS server, a web server? So for that, you use something called scanning. Okay, so scanning, which is also commonly known as enumeration, is to get some extra information on those devices itself. And we can perform this in three stages. There's something called as network scanning, port scanning, and vulnerability scanning. Network scanning is where you're trying to figure out in their network what devices exist. So get out again in their internal organization, what is the infrastructure? Are they using firewalls? Are they using routers? Are they using servers? What kind of servers? What client operating system devices are they using? So उनकी internal organization में क्या क्या devices हैं वो figure out करने के लिए there's network scanning. Then there's port scanning. On those devices, what ports are open, what services are running. That is figured out in port scanning. And then finally, we have something called vulnerability scanning, where we try to understand in these devices, are there any weaknesses? Are there any loopholes to attack on? So during this phase, we'll be working with a lot of professional tools. There's tools called Nmap. This is called network mapper. No matter what job you apply for, in their job description, you will find this tool as listed out that you have to have knowledge on this. There's another tool called Tenable Nessus, and these are the same tools which are used in my organization as well. And they're quite expensive actually. If you scroll down, you can see the tool itself costs you around $8,000. And that only for 1 year subscription again. This is not for lifetime. So every other company needs to make a payment of such to use these tools to perform various categories of scanning. Okay. But don't worry, luckily for us, we have trial versions where we'll understand how to run these tools efficiently and use them in organizations. So again, the reason I'm showing you all this is to make you understand whatever we learn, we'll be learning it hands-on with the same tools which are used in organizations. Okay. And these tools give you the information on what network devices are there, on those devices, what applications are running, and on those applications, what services have what vulnerabilities. So once you know what vulnerabilities exist, oh, so yeah, going so early. So once you know what vulnerabilities exist, then you have the gaining access phase, the phase where the real attacks happen. Okay. So once you know what vulnerabilities are there, what loopholes are there, you start attacking every single system in the organization. And these are all the different topics here. Okay, now don't worry, don't get confused by these topics. The main agenda of learning this phase is attacking every single endpoint. We talk about how to attack Windows systems, we talk about how to attack Linux systems, how do you crack the passwords for them, How can you attack with malwares? Malwares are malicious softwares. How to create viruses, how to create worms, how to create trojans. Okay. How do you attack networks? Okay. How do you capture the data of other users in a network? So if you're entering any username and password on your system, how can I capture it from my device? So that's called sniffing in a network. How to hack Wi-Fi routers, crack the password for Wi-Fi routers. How to create fake login pages, whether it be social media pages or bank login pages. How to attack web servers, how to attack web applications on the front end, how to attack firewalls and bypass firewalls, how to attack mobile phones, how to attack, again, any system on a known vulnerability. That is what we'll be covering here in the gaining access module. Basically learning how to attack every single endpoint, as small as a mobile phone to as big as a web application server or a database or a firewall. We'll be learning how to attack every single endpoint here. And once you have known what attacks are possible, once you have attacked the system, the next thing you do is you maintain that connection. Okay, so that's maintaining access. So let's say if I've attacked your phone or your laptop, now even if you shut down your phone or restart your laptop, I should not lose your connection. So even if you restart the device, I should still be automatically connected to your device. So that is what is maintaining access, maintaining persistent connections. Okay. And after that, we have something called reporting or clearing traces, where we learn as ethical hackers how do we generate reports for the organization, elaborating and giving the solutions to protect the organization. Or on the other hand, what do hackers do? How do they remove the evidence of the attack? Okay, how do they delete the log files? How do you check if the evidence is lost? How do you recover that evidence? Is what we learn in clearing traces. So these are the 5 simple stages, guys. But these 5 stages are again divided in 20 modules. So if you check the course curriculum here, this here is the course outline. So those 5 stages are divided in different modules. And these are the modules which we'll be covering in our course as well. Okay. And as mentioned, we'll be using the same exact tools which are used in organizations in real time. Okay. So again, the course is for a duration of 35 days where we cover classes from Monday to Friday, every day for 1 hour each. And this is what we'll be learning, understanding what the hacking cycle is and understanding how to use these tools in organizations and how to be a penetration tester. That's what the job role will be applying for mostly. Okay. So yeah, if you have any questions or so, we can have a Q&A session now, guys, Hussein, Samir, so that I can clarify if there's something that is confusing you.
सर इतने सब मॉड्यूल सीखने के बाद जॉब कंफर्म है क्या?
Again, as mentioned, the DurgaSoft is not being a consultancy here. वो consultancy कुछ services है तो provide नहीं कर रहा, but उनको references आते रहते हैं. So they have a lot of contacts in HR, मेरे भी contacts हैं. So हमको जो भी requirement होगी, post it back to you so that you can apply it yourself. And once you're skilled, if you attend the interviews and you're prepared with what I'm teaching you, there's no difficulty in obtaining a job.
हाँ सर, इतना बोलते हो ये कोर्स सीखने और कितने मंथ का ये है?
ये
प्रोसेस
आपको आएगा ऑलमोस्ट 45 days to 2 months तक आएगा.
2 मंथ में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा?
हाँ, actually 45 days में ही हो जाएगा. Just in case, unless and until we are again learning a few more extra topics as we go. Sometimes I keep
पूरा
teaching some US.
बेसिक टू एडवांस साइबर सिक्योरिटी पूरा सीख जाएंगे क्या?
No, this is up to
45
intermediate level, Hussein, not advanced. So this
एडवांस
is
में
something
तो
for
पूरा अपना
freshers.
एडवांस वगैरह करने का हो तो
वो अलग से पढ़ाता हूँ एक्चुअली, वो दुर्गा सॉफ्ट से नहीं है. सो वो 1 और 2 महीने लग जाएगा. सो दैट वुड बी अ टोटल ऑफ लाइक अराउंड 4 months और सो.
हाँ, अपने को तो पूरा ही करना है क्या? देखो पूरा किया तो है ना जॉब मिलेगी, स्किल होगा तो है ना
नहीं,
इम्पोर्टेंट है।
ये सिर्फ दुर्गा सॉफ्ट से प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा है उसे. वो ये कोर्स होने के बाद ही आप एडवांस में जा सकते हो, बट वो मैं अलग से
अच्छा,
पढ़ाता हूँ. दैट इज फ्रॉम नॉट फ्रॉम
तो
दुर्गा सॉफ्ट.
फिर उसको आगे नेक्स्ट कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा क्या?
हाँ, अलग से.
ओके सर, वो ही
और अगर आप
क्लियर करना
फ्रेशर
था।
की तरह हो तो ये कोर्स काफी है. नहीं, आप ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन हो, आपको जरा फेक लगाना है, अगर वो सब करना है तो जब
साइबर
आपको एडवांस
सिक्योरिटी
कोर्स
का
जाना पड़ेगा.
साइबर सिक्योरिटी का हमको अभी कुछ पता ही नहीं है। अभी
हम्म.
सर्च कर रहे हैं, अभी कोडिंग में कुछ नहीं है ना तो उतना
नहीं,
नॉलेज है।
कोडिंग की जरूरत नहीं है इस कोर्स के लिए. कोडिंग की कोई जरूरत नहीं है
हाँ
उसे. आपको सिर्फ टूल्स
हाँ
सीखने हैं. जो जो मैं टूल्स बता रहा हूँ, ये कुछ लिस्ट किए मैंने, एनमैप, नेसिस, और बहुत सारे हैं
हाँ
एक्चुअली. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ देम. देन देयर समथिंग कॉल्ड काली लाइनक्स. ये एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. इस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में आपको सारे टूल्स मिल जाएंगे. सो ये ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सीखना पड़ेगा व्हिच इज लाइनक्स बेस्ड. एंड दीज आर ऑल द टूल्स: बर्ब सूट, हाइड्रा, जॉन द रिपर, मेटास्प्लॉइट. ये सारे टूल्स मैं सिखाता हूँ कोर्स में. SQL मैप, वायरशार्क। सो जो जो भी ऑपरेशंस है, हर ऑपरेशन के लिए एक अलग अलग टूल होगा हर टास्क के लिए। तो ये टूल्स हम यूज करेंगे आगे
तो ये
जाके।
टूल हर एक टास्क के लिए अलग अलग वर्क करता है क्या?
हाँ एग्जैक्टली। एक
हाँ।
सिस्टम स्कैन के लिए है, एक पासवर्ड अटैक के लिए है, एक वल्नरेबिलिटी
हाँ।
स्कैनिंग के लिए है, एक वेब
हाँ।
एप्लीकेशन सिक्योरिटी के लिए है, एक
भी
डेटा।
इस 45 डेज में कितने टूल्स अपन ये होता कंप्लीट होता?
ऑलमोस्ट एक 20-25 टूल्स कवर करेंगे उसे।
45 डेज में है?
हाँ।
ओके सर। हाँ, आगे और एडवांस जाना है तो आगे सीखना पड़ेगा ना तुम्हारे पास से।
इसके बाद हाँ वो अगला स्टेप होगा इसके बाद।
ओके सर। बाद में कंटिन्यू रहेंगे ना सर 45 डेज के बाद
हाँ
कनेक्शन?
आपके पास मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर आ जाएगा अगर आप रजिस्टर कर रहे हो। दैट बी माय पर्सनल नंबर। सो आप उस पर
हाँ।
कनेक्ट कर सकते हो हमारे साथ।
हाँ। ओके। ओके सर, वही तो।
नहीं नहीं
हमें
नहीं
तो
बस।
करना है तो पूरा ही करना है, चुप आधा आधा करके कुछ मिलने हैं। हाँ।
श्योर हो सर। समीर एनी
हाँ।
क्वेश्चंस ऑन योर? ओके आई थिंक समीर हैज नो क्वेश्चंस। हुसैन आपके और कोई क्वेश्चंस?
नहीं सर, यही था। और वो अपने को दुर्गा को विजिट करना है तो कैसा करना है सर?
आई थिंक उन्होंने ग्रुप में कुछ मैसेज रखा है, चैट में कुछ रखे हैं क्या? नहीं।
मैसेज आया तो नहीं अभी तक।
एक काम करते हैं, आप ऑनलाइन विजिट कर सकते हो दुर्गा सॉफ्ट।
अपने को ऑफलाइन ऑफलाइन वर्क बोलते ऑफलाइन ही करना है सब, हाँ? तो
नहीं
विजिट
मैं तो
वगैरह?
विशाखापट्टनम में हूँ, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हैदराबाद में, सो ऑनलाइन ही ट्रेन करते हैं उसे। ऑफलाइन तो ऑप्शन नहीं है इनके पास।
ऑफलाइन नहीं है, सब
हाँ
ऑनलाइन है क्या ये?
सिर्फ ऑनलाइन है जी।
ओके। ओके सर। अगर तुम्हारा ऐसा भी ऑफलाइन करना है तो कुछ अलग कुछ क्या है?
इनके पास एट द मोमेंट ऑफलाइन ऑप्शन है ही नहीं उसे, ऑनलाइन ही
हाँ।
है। और अगर कांटेक्ट, अगर आपको एनरोल करना है तो यहाँ पे नंबर्स हैं या दो नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं उनके ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट में। उन नंबर्स पे आप कॉल करके रजिस्टर कर सकते हो।
ओके सर।
और यहाँ 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 पे भी दी थी इन्होंने ग्रुप में भी दिया, देखिए। साइबर सिक्योरिटी, एथिकल हैकिंग। आपको
हाँ,
कल
उधर
का डेमो
नंबर
का
है
लिंक भी
पूरा।
भेजे हैं ये लोग। कल अगर आपको डेमो ज्वाइन करना है आप वो लिंक पे क्लिक कर सकते हो। और कुछ
ओके सर।
पेमेंट रिलेटेड है तो आपके उनके ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे आप उनको कॉल कर सकते हो। फोन नंबर दिया गया
ओके
है।
सर। पर ये पूरा प्रोसेस ऑनलाइन ही होगा क्या?
हाँ
45
कोर्स
डेज
पूरा
में?
ऑनलाइन, हाँ ऑनलाइन ही होगा हुसैन।
ओके सर।
राइट। क्योंकि एक्सेसमेंट्स अलग अलग जगहों से आते रहते हैं, मुंबई, बैंगलोर, हैदराबाद, आंध्र प्रदेश। सो हर कोई ट्रैवल नहीं कर पा रहा, समर है ऊपर से, तो इसलिए ऑनलाइन ही प्रेफर कर रहे हैं हर कोई।
हाँ, ऐसा ऑफलाइन करना था हमको तो, लेकिन
अच्छा
अभी
नहीं,
क्या ऑप्शन?
ऑफलाइन एट द मोमेंट ऑप्शन नहीं है हुसैन।
हाँ।
राइट। और कुछ, एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस गाइस? Okay. Assuming no questions, we can connect back tomorrow. The course is starting from tomorrow itself, guys. Monday. I think it is at 7 a.m. in the morning. अगर आपको अगला क्लास ज्वाइन करना है तो आप कल से वो डेमो लिंक पे ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। उन्होंने ग्रुप चैट में डेमो लिंक भेज दिया। मैं भी एक बार फिर से पोस्ट कर देता हूँ। यू कैन एक्सेस इट फ्रॉम देयर। ओके। ओके श्योर, बाय बाय, गुड डे।